So now we want to predict the value of attendance or of y, which is attendance, given the temperature, a specific temperature. So what we will do is go to O2 and we will type M and click on cell P2 and type 120.63. Do you know what is the equation of a linear straight line? What is the formula for the equation for a straight line? Y is equal to mx plus b, and m is the slope of the line. So if you remember from your algebra, m is the change in x over the change in y. So how much change, what change in x would result in a change in y. Now the b, so I'm going to write it right here. That's the equation of the line. Y is equal to mx plus b. M is the slope of that line, which will tell you how much change of x will bring about a change in y. Okay, or with one unit change of x, what will be the change in y? So that's m. B is what we call the y-intercept. The y-intercept, what is the value of y at x equal to 0? So if the temperature is equal to 0, what should be the attendance? So right now here it is negative 4,548.7. Of course, no one will attend that at temperature 0, but that's, so the m is equal to 120.63. So with every change in x, you have an increase in y of 120.63. So now we want to put the b. B is equal to negative 4,548.7. Remember, that's the value of y, the value of attendance when you have a 0 temperature, when x is equal to 0. So if we go under O5 and we put 75, and O6 76, now I can autofill all the way until 100. My temperature. So these are my x's, and I want now to determine the y. So in P5 the y, as we said, is equal to the value in m multiply by, because the equation says mx plus b, so it multiply by the x. I'm going to put that between parentheses, plus mx plus the b, which is negative 43. Now before I copy that formula to the rest, I need to ask myself, where are my fixed variables? I know that I have only one m and one b, so I need to fix those. I'm going to put a dollar sign before the p and a dollar sign after the p. And the same thing for P3. I'm going to put a dollar sign before the P and a dollar sign after the P. And now I know that if the temperature is 75, my attendance will be 4,498. Now I can drag that down till 100. And you can see, I mean, like, you can look at the original value that was given to you by the meteorologists and see if your forecast is close or not. So we will look at 85, for example. You have 57 or 58 or 55. So it's between 55 and 58. Let's see here, 85, we have a 57. So very, very close to the actual. So the second thing is finding out what is the variance, how much variance it is. So you can actually look, but that's not required. Let me close that